Well, currently we're all a little bit stressed because we're going to be late for Milford Sounds and they can't book us on any other boat, so we may not even make it yet. Feel a bit sad right now, babe?
No, because there's always a backup. There's always something else we can do.
We made it!
Got all the passes here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Welcome on board.
Thank you. I know. Get a big fine.
How do you know?
Just want another ass. We're leaving it there.
I just said so. I just asked him anyway. It should be alright.
We made it. With 1 minute to go. And a big fine for parking. But we did it.
It's worth it.
It's worth it. It better be worth it.
And most of our like this inflate.
So apparently you're meant to park the van in the car park, but we didn't have the time and we're emailing back to, we had like 6 minutes. They couldn't wait, so we've left the van outside and probably looking at about a $300 fine. But it doesn't matter because we're all on it. Paul was gonna just stay in the van and wait for us while we ran, but we managed to get him on, so we're all on the trip for Milford Sounds in New Zealand, and it's absolutely beautiful and well worth the parking fine. So the boat's got 2 levels. You've got downstairs, which I'm in now, and there's all nice seating area, tables, and you can make coffees, free coffees and tea. Got some nice landscape. And then you come through the door and there's an outside downstairs. Can't complain about those views. And then you can go upstairs, which is where we were sat before. Oh, have you made a mocha?
There's your mocha with oat milk.
You just did yourselves, mate, Julie.
Bit of a mocha myself. There we go.
Yum, yum, yum. They're nice and warm.
Well, I'm trying to. It is a bit nippy.
It's not.
Do you not think it's cold?
No.
Oh.
Are you girls cold? What? Are you cold?
Yep.
Hi, hello. Oh, there, look. Oh,
Huge.
wow, that is big.
The little girl from calves will stay with their mothers for up to 4 years. Like us, they've reduced station in 9 months. Males are larger than the females. You don't see about 4
See
meters.
it, look.
Wow.
the echo. Listen to it. Do you hear it? Do you hear the echo?
Chiama.
Look, it's souvenir right in front.
I got him, I got him, I got him.
Look, on the bow of the boat.
Do you like it, Ellie? Do you like it, Chloe? It's really good now if you see the dolphin just win.
Jokes really sat on the couch. This is CGI.
Green screen. Very grateful. Thank you for bringing us here, Paul.
Well, I did. Paul and Owen did.
One Bob divides the Australian and Pacific tectonic plates.
Let me weep before I go. Oh, the price I will pay, blaming myself all night. Leave no part of me unscathed when you rip me. No smoke into every little cell.
I'm definitely not complaining. We have seen dolphins, we have seen sea lions, who knows, might even see a blue penguin, but it has been epic. Milford Sounds, you have not disappointed at all. Look at that. Look at that. I can't believe we've lived here so long. And we've only just come here to have a look. Oh well, I'm here now. Breathtaking, took it all in, absolutely love it. Would definitely do it again. Look at that. How pretty is that, Isabel? I'm too busy looking at it than filming it. Oh, look at that for real. How can you not take that? Oh, my phone's going to get ruined. So we've come to the official car park now. We should have parked earlier on. A 10-minute walk to the boat, but we just did not have the time, so we had to park illegally. And apparently there's a nice cafe and we can smell some yummy food, so we're gonna go and eat. Paul's made us all dress like we're going to the Antarctica, and to be fair, it did say it was gonna be freezing and peeing down, but it's not, and the sun is out, so I'm going to take some layers off and we're gonna do a little hike around Milford Sounds now we've all been fed, and then drive back to Queenstown and stop along the way and get some cute pics and whatnot. So come on a walk with me around Milford Sounds.
Might be a bit.
I know, decent boots. They're them keen ones, they're expensive.
The matching pair.
They're actually expensive as shit.
Yeah, they're matching.
They're like Solomon's.
Is it the wall of lost souls, like Chloe said?
I think, you know what it
just
is,
the
I
plush
bet it's
shoes?
hiking. Huh? I bet it's hiking. I bet they've hiked to here and left the boots and bought some new ones.
Look at them, they're absolutely knackered.
Which ones?
Them ones, yeah.
Hey, all these nuts are biting me head off here.
What about them?
Yeah.
There's a place where, oh yeah, look at that, Paul. Kiwi ingenuity right there.
Duct tape.
We used to put bread tags on our jandals when they would snap underneath and it'd hold them.
begins with an S that's round here.
So that you can't see it because
No, so we need to stand over there. So we can see.
Barron,
No, that's alright.
that's Barron Peak. Mount
Smoke.
Underwood.
Smoke.
That's actually a good one, but it's not.
No.
What's that? No.
Why are these flies all over my face?
Mount.
I'm sick of being
Are they like
wet.
little gnats?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, one's just landed on my phone.
Quick. I don't know. Give up, Soraya. What is it?
Snow!
Come on, kiss, kiss.
Oh,
Give you a kiss.
Guys.
Oh.
Guys.
That's my darling Isabel.
Guys. Oh, the cold, Isabel.
Oh!
The coat.
Oh no!
Oh, and she's ripped all the back of the coat. Oh.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, I think they are doing a loop, Isabel. Was this the loop? Is this where we just crossed? Oh, it's a teeny tiny little walk. Hi. So beautiful to see. It's all just hanging out in nature in this beautiful epic spot. And just kids are bonding. Paul's loving having the kids here. I'm loving watching them just have fun, beat each other up like old times when they were little. Stunning. Yes, darling.
You know that homeless guy in Talbot Hot Springs?
Yes.
You should interview him.
I should interview him. Wonder if he's still got the bedding I gave him. Seaweed. Ugh, don't throw it at me.
Wait until he lifts his feathers. You want to see the colouring of him.
Can't eat them. Yeah, I've tried, but I don't want to get my finger bitten off.
Let me in.